Hey friends, if the lock screen picture keeps on changing on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the personalization tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select lock screen. Now, the reason that the lock screen picture keeps on changing is that the default setting says Windows Spotlight, and Windows Spotlight will keep on changing the picture to Windows Spotlight. So you can change it to picture and select amongst any of these Windows pictures, or you can also add some pictures of your own choice, though I avoid this. But if I wanted, I can just add any picture of my choice as a lock screen picture. Another option that you have is that you can select the slideshow, but this one is also interchanging, but you can choose the pictures for this one. So if you want one stable picture, then just select picture, and Windows Spotlight is the default setting in this one. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.